Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you into the kitchen with me. We're going to be making a delicious coconut curry shrimp for dinner. While you're in quarantine, this is a very simple, delicious recipe, so give it a try. Okay guys, so here's what you're going to need for this recipe. Over here I have 1 stick of carrot, a hot pepper, some onions, green, red, and yellow bell pepper, some thyme. I couldn't find any fresh thyme, so I had to get some dry thyme. But if you have the fresh one, use the fresh one. Have some butter, coconut milk, curry powder, some all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Old Bay seasoning. And of course, we have our shrimp. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're about to season up our shrimp. So I'm gonna put a little Old Bay seasoning. Don't put too much of this because it does tend to get a bit salty. And we're going in with our all-purpose seasoning. Onion powder. Some garlic powder. Alright guys, so we're going to start out with our stove on a medium high. Just going to add some of our butter to the pot. And this is optional, but you can add some coconut oil if you want as well. Just gonna let that melt down. All right, so now that that's nice and simmering, what we're gonna do is add in our curry powder. So we're gonna add in what we previously chopped up. We're just gonna go ahead and add in our carrots so they can start cooking, our hot pepper, and our onions. Oh, a little sweet pepper made it in, that's fine. Okay, so now that this is nice and cooked down, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of water. Let that simmer away. And then add our shrimp to the pot. right, so once you see your shrimp starting to curl up like that, they're almost finished. So at this point now, we're gonna go in and add our coconut milk. Alright, and we'll just add our bell peppers now. And a little sprinkle of thyme. Alright, just combine that. We're just gonna pop a lid on that for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, guys, so after about 3 to 4 minutes, just come back and check on it. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, look at that, guys. Woo. All right, you can go ahead and turn your stove off now. Oh. Look at that, guys. Woo! Beautiful. All right, guys, there you have it. Coconut curry shrimp. I paired it with some rice and beans, boiled corn, some lettuce and tomato, and a hot pepper just in case you need some extra heat. All right, guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comment section if you like this recipe and you gave it a try. Until next time, bye.